Kateka is located in the Kleseri Private Game Reserve. We're fortunate to be in a massive reserve. It's 60,000 hectares. We open to the Kruger. So when we started the build and the whole design, we started with a building that we refer to as our hub, with all our energy, our water, our grey water systems, backup systems for communication. And that's where the whole Sigenergy journey started. It sounds a bit silly, but without power, you cannot offer anything you would like to offer a guest. It's just impossible, especially at a 5-star level. It's green, it's safe. The backup systems are, what I've seen so far is incredible, and I get more sleep at night knowing that I have that system in place. What I've experienced with the SIG team is, from the onset, the journey has been incredible.
We're constantly looking for the latest in technology. Sigenergy made sense for us as a business. Their product is amazing, it's safe, adaptable. We've installed it in harsh environments, and it's really, something that we only supply to our customers.
Sigenergy is a forward-thinking company that stands in the forefront of leading innovation by integrating artificial intelligence, cutting-edge technology, and enhancing safety features in both the commercial and residential energy storage solutions. There's several reasons what sets Sigenergy apart from the current market: comprehensive energy solutions, smart integration, flexibility, scalability. The inverter size, the battery size, the module stays exactly the same from a 6 kilowatt up until a 3, 4, 5, 600, 1.2 megawatt system. And of course, it's the world's first 5-in-1 energy solution, integrated EMS, energy management system, PCS, which is a power conversion system, a battery inverter, and then of course your EV charger as well. Of course, Sigenergy is the world's first energy solution that's integrated with artificial intelligence that offers various benefits for the EPC as well as the end user. Sigenergy will reduce your capex tremendously with our fast installation, fast commissioning. Our solution is also IP66, so you can install both indoors and outdoors. Sigenergy being one of our partners in Southern Africa, in partnership with EMG, they've really ensured that we drive energy independence and offer a bespoke experience in the hospitality sector. It's actually very exciting and great to see the passion that Kateka has, offering a bespoke experience for their clients globally. And I believe that fits in well with what Sigenergy has to offer and what we stand for, and that being safe, intelligent, green, efficient, and new. And that's truly what Kateka also stands for. Through our continuous innovation and development, Sigenergy will remain steadfast in creating the next generation smart, intelligent energy solutions globally.